Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hello everyone. We are from group Hydrangea. We'll present to you the case study for subject Excel UKQE 3001. First, let's meet the team members. My name is Sakinah Alya, and this is Nuraisya Nabila, Nur Faiqah, Nurul Nabila, and Vanida Natasha. Next, what is the graduate attributes? Graduate attributes are the general skills, qualities, understanding, abilities, and traits that should be developed by a student during their university experiences and engagement. Graduate attributes will enable a student to function and contribute effectively in solving problems, communicating, thinking critically and creatively, and acting as effective team members at work. UTM graduate attributes include skills such as communication skills, thinking skills, scholarship, leadership and teamworking skills, adaptability, global citizens, and lastly, enterprising skills.
Next, to proceed with the attribute issues, we have conducted a survey to rate and give opinion about the graduate attribute among UTM students and to get a feedback about our program. From the result, the respondents have agreed that communication and thinking skills are lacking among students. And based on the bar charts, the respondents have rates about the most important attribute in future. We can see that the communication skills is on the first place and thinking skills is on the third place. From the respondents' opinions, most of them said that it is necessary to have these qualities in a working environment. It also can help future graduates to be an independent citizens, helps to solve problems, and easier to communicate and need to be used in daily life. Therefore, our group proposed an online program which is Civil Engineering Global Networking Sessions. The aim of this program is to enhance the communication skills and thinking skills among the UTM students. The respondents also agreed that this program will increase the attributes and most of them are interested to join our proposed program.
Our proposed program, Civil Engineering Global Networking Session, is an online-based program which will be held on 1st March 2022, which is the Civil Engineers Day Worldwide. This program acts as a platform engaging civil engineering students from established universities worldwide. It is designed to enable knowledge sharing on industrial exposure implemented by their respective universities to produce highly competent civil engineers directly after graduation. The participants' communication skills and thinking skills surely will be enhanced throughout this program. Our program aims to encourage future engineer graduates to think critically, holistically, and systematically while enriching ideas and discovering opportunities worldwide. We also target to enhance the students' ability to listen actively and deliver ideas in a comprehensive manner. We invited presenters from among the best civil engineering schools in the world, which are University of New South Wales, Australia, and Nanyang Technological University, Singapore. And we also include a presenter from our own University Technology Malaysia. These three presenters will share the industrial exposure implemented by their respective universities that will benefit all participants of the program. Our target participants are, of course, all interested civil engineering students from UTM and also the students from these two universities that collaborate with us in making this program.
Moving on to activity schedule for Civil Engineering Global Networking Session. This session will start at 9 a.m. until 10:45 a.m. for forum session, and then there will be a 15 minutes break time. After that, Q&A session will resume at 11 a.m. and then the final activity is the networking session where a game is conducted for participants. Since this networking session is done virtually, so zero cost needed for this program. After that, for monitoring and evaluation, this is where action taken to about whether the event achieved its objective or not. For the evaluation, we will be doing it before, during, and after the program. For the initial response form, a Google form will be given before starting the event regarding participant knowledge about graduate attributes and their current progress. After that, during the program, we will do monitoring. We will monitor the interaction occurred during this event and see if the objective is implemented or not. After that, at the end of the event, a Google form will be given for the participant to re-evaluate their knowledge and current progress regarding the graduate attributes. Lastly, postmortem will be done. A meeting will be conducted to know about the overall performance for this event and what kind of problem we encounter during this event.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nabilla and I will now present on the importance of this program in improving graduate attributes. The first graduate attributes that is taken into consideration is thinking skills. This program will help the students to enhance their thinking skills. Students will be able to analyze the information obtained from the forum. The speakers will share their experience and knowledges in civil engineering field. As the speakers invited are from Australia, Singapore, and Malaysia, they will be exposed to different working environments and they can start to imagine their working life in the future. After this program, they will need to think on the preparation that will be needed and work for it. The attribute that is also taken into consideration is communication skills. In the Q&A session, students are able to ask, give opinions, or argue for different information. The students will be trained to use the questioning skills as it is a formal program. They will also find the best sentence that will help them to obtain the best answer from the speakers. This will enhance their communication skills that is very important for them to handle difficult conversation in the future.
In conclusion, Civil Engineering Global Networking Session is a program that will be very beneficial and fun for students to join because they can improve their communication skills and thinking skills. We hope this program will achieve its objective and help more students to improve their skills.